Hi everyone! In this video you will learn how to win more matches as Junkrat in Overwatch. Practice aiming and predicting grenade trajectories to maximize damage output. Place steel traps in choke points or near objectives to catch flankers or disrupt enemy advances. Use steel traps and concussion mines to deny key areas and restrict enemy movement. Control high ground positions to rain grenades or enemies and maintain better visibility. Anticipate enemy movements to effectively place traps and detonate mines for maximum impact. Detonate grenades on trapped enemies for burst damage or secure kills. Initiate fight or catch enemies off guard by detonating concussion mine near them. Use concussion mine for quick escapes or to reach high ground for better vantage points. Prioritize eliminating supports and DPS heroes with high burst damage. Use RIP tire to clear objectives, disrupt enemy formation, or secure multi-kills. Place traps at your feet or behind you to protect against flanking enemies. Position yourself near supports to protect them with traps and burst damage. Use concussion mine to escape dangerous situations or to peel for low health teammates. Flank enemies with concussion mine jumps or through unexpected routes for surprise attacks. Utilize your grenades to poke and pressure enemies from a safe distance. And that's how to win more matches as Junkrat in Overwatch. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching!